Lesson 2, Proposal Writing Masterclass. This module moves from strategy to execution, guiding you through the process of writing a proposal that stands out. Structure and narrative development. A well-structured proposal is a logical journey for the reader. In a generic proposal, not guided by donor-specific structure, we will cover all essential sections. Executive summary, a concise, powerful overview of your project, written last to capture the essence of your pitch. Background and problem statement, clearly defining the need, grounded in local context and data, e.g., local government statistics, community needs assessments. Project objectives and activities, outlining what you will do and why it will lead to desired outcomes, with a focus on how these activities are locally driven and culturally relevant. The theory of change. A theory of change, to see, is the core of your narrative. It is a comprehensive description and illustration of how and why a desired change is expected to happen in a particular context. It is a roadmap that links your project's activities to the desired long-term impact, clearly showing the chain of cause and effect. Donors want to see a clear, evidence-based connection between what you propose to do and the outcomes you hope to achieve. The to see provides this link by outlining the following key elements. Problem statement. What is the specific challenge or need you are addressing? Your to see starts here, grounding the project in a real-world issue. Inputs. These are the resources you will use to implement the project. This includes funding, staff time, materials, and technology. Activities. These are the actions you will undertake to address the problem. Activities are what you do, e.g., hold workshops, distribute materials, conduct research. Outputs. These are the direct, tangible results of your activities. Outputs are what you produce, e.g., number of people trained, number of kits distributed, a research report published. Outcomes. These are the short and medium-term changes that result from your outputs. Outcomes are the changes in knowledge, attitudes, skills, or behaviors of your target group. They answer the question, so what? E.g., participants demonstrate an increased understanding of a topic, community members adopt new hygiene practices. Impact. This is the ultimate, long-term change you seek to create. Impact is the big-picture goal and is often a broader societal change, e.g., a reduction in disease, increased economic stability in a community. Assumptions. It's crucial to state the underlying assumptions that must be true for your to see to hold. This demonstrates that you have thought through potential challenges and risks. For example, an assumption might be, the government will not interfere with our project activities. By clearly articulating your theory of change, you move your proposal from a list of tasks to a compelling story about transformation, making it easier for donors to understand and support your vision. The if-then logic. The simplest way to articulate a theory of change is through an if-then statement that connects each element of your project's logic. This shows the causal pathway from your actions to the intended impact. If we secure the necessary inputs, e.g., funding, staff, and materials, then we can conduct the planned activities, e.g., community workshops on proper hygiene. If we conduct these activities, then we will produce the desired outputs, e.g., 200 community members will participate in the workshops and receive hygiene kits. If these outputs are achieved, then we can expect the short-term outcomes to occur, e.g., community members will demonstrate improved hygiene knowledge and practices. If these outcomes are sustained over time, then we will contribute to the long-term impact we seek, e.g., a significant reduction in waterborne diseases in the community. This logical flow shows the donor that your project is not a random set of actions, but a carefully planned and strategic effort to create a specific, positive change. Monitoring and evaluation. M&E. Your M&E plan is your commitment to tracking progress and measuring success. It shows donors that you are serious about accountability and learning. An effective M&E plan is not just about a final report, it's a continuous process that informs your project's implementation. Definition. Monitoring is the routine collection of data to track project activities, while evaluation is the systematic assessment of a project's relevance, effectiveness, and impact. Indicators. These are the specific, measurable, and verifiable metrics you will use to track progress. They help you answer key questions about your project. Indicators can be quantitative, e.g., number of people trained, or qualitative, e.g., perceived increase in confidence among participants. Data collection plan, describe how and when you will collect data. This includes the tools you will use, e.g., surveys, interviews, observation checklists, and the frequency of data collection. Reporting, outline your plan for reporting to the donor. This shows that you have a clear structure for sharing information about your progress and results. Logical framework, logframe. We will deconstruct the logframe as a critical tool for organizing your project's logic. We will detail how to link inputs, activities, outputs, outcomes, and long-term impact, and how to define objectively verifiable indicators and means of verification. A well-constructed log frame demonstrates a deep understanding of project logic to the donor. Budget creation and justification. The budget is a key component. We will cover creating a detailed, realistic budget that is directly tied to your proposed activities. A best practice is to include a comprehensive budget narrative that justifies every line item and demonstrates cost effectiveness. The budget should also reflect your organization's own capacity and administrative costs, acknowledging that core funding is essential for sustainability. Addressing assumptions and risks. We'll discuss how to explicitly state and address the underlying assumptions and potential risks associated with your project. This shows the donor that you have thought through potential challenges and have mitigation strategies in place, building confidence and trust. Examples of risks could include economic instability, climate shocks, or political changes in the local context, and your plan for how to mitigate them. Organizational capacity. A strong proposal narrative is not just about what you will do, but also about who will do it. This section demonstrates that your organization has the necessary resources and experience to successfully implement the project. Donors want to be sure their investment is in capable hands. Mission and vision. Briefly restate your organization's mission and vision, showing how the proposed project aligns with your core purpose. Relevant experience. Highlight your track record. Describe past projects or initiatives that are similar in scope, theme, or location to the one you are proposing. Use specific examples and results to show that you have a history of success. Personnel. Introduce the key individuals on your team, particularly the project manager. Describe their qualifications and experience, and how they are uniquely suited to lead this project. Legal status. Mention your organization's legal registration and non-profit status, confirming that you are a legitimate and accountable entity. Financial and administrative systems. Briefly describe the systems you have in place for managing finances, reporting, and administration. This reassures donors that you have the internal controls to handle their funds responsibly. Sustainability and amplification plan. Donors want to fund projects that have a lasting impact. A well-crafted sustainability plan shows how the benefits of your project will continue after the grant funding ends. The amplification plan demonstrates that your project is not a one-off initiative but a model that can be replicated or scaled up. Sustainability. This is about ensuring the project's outcomes endure. Key strategies include financial sustainability. How will the project continue to be funded? This could involve community contributions, securing additional grants, or generating income. Institutional sustainability. How will the project be integrated into your organization's ongoing work or absorbed by a local partner? Community ownership. How will you ensure the community takes ownership of the project and its results? This often involves training local leaders or creating a self-sufficient group. Amplification. This is about spreading the project's success. It can take two forms. Replication. The project model is replicated by other organizations or in different locations. Scaling up. The project is expanded to serve a larger population or a broader geographic area. Plan. Provide a clear, step-by-step plan for how you will achieve sustainability and amplification, including key activities and timelines.